Let's talk about my laundry routine. Today we are going to talk about how I do laundry, why I do laundry the way I do, and those fun sort of things. Alright, let's talk about it. If you've been on this channel for any amount of time, you know that I have on Friday is laundry day. I get all my laundry done starting first thing in the morning and go through until it is all done. Now let's really talk about how this works and why I don't always do things in a way that it's usually done by other people. First thing is, there are other things which happen in my life on a Friday, like a lot of them. So I don't like to leave my dryer going if I'm not home. So I usually do my laundry in batches. As in, like, first thing in the morning, I'll get the sheets all together, put them into the washer, then go around, do the morning stuff, put them into the dryer, do more morning stuff, take them out and put them away. Then I'll do either a load of whites or a load of colors or whatever needs to be done and work that the same way. Now, a lot of you are asking, well, why don't I put my clothing into a basket? Simply because I live in a 3-room condo, and it really is just as easy for me to just walk it the 30 feet that it is from where I fold my laundry to where it needs to be put away. It's that simple. Really is that easy. But I also have, the nice part about this is, I have a great space to fold my laundry on. I can fold it on the table, which is in my office. I load up my laundry on the chair, which I almost never ever sit on. It's a chair which I can put all the laundry on and fold it. Would I necessarily do that way if I were not filming these videos? Probably would. I probably still would do it that way. My laundry routine when it comes to washing, I make my own laundry detergent, which you will see the dry detergent video coming out soon, but I need to run out of it, so I have a reason to make more of it, because this lasts forever. I have had this dry laundry detergent for, I think, about 4 months now, so a little goes a long way. I use vinegar as the rinse agent. In the on the sheets, I use vinegar with lavender essential oil. I put lavender essential oil into my drawer for my sheets, so that way when I put them on the bed on Friday morning, they smell really good when I go to bed Friday night. My laundry routine just gets all of those things folded and put away that day, because a lot of people talk about they do their laundry, then they don't fold it or put it away that day. I like to get it all done, and that was the other part about why I do this in small batches instead of doing the whole putting one right after the other, because if I do get distracted and it does get pushed into the next day, I don't have it sitting around somewhere wrinkling. No, I have my laundry so that once one's done, if I have to run somewhere, if I have to go somewhere, I can do that without worrying about the fact that, well, I need to make sure that I get the stuff which is in the washer into the dryer. Nope, it's already done, it's already happy, and that's realistically how I do it. Like I said, it's really important for me to start with one batch and go to the next and go to the next and completely finish them up. Now, a lot of people can't do that way, and there's something to think about, like I've said before in other videos, which that video's already come out, where how I keep my house clean is one of the parts is I live alone. So that also is its own new thing, because when you live alone, you have different amounts of laundry. I have a friend and she does cleaning videos, and she does something like 6 or 8 loads of laundry a week. I might do that a month. No, every 2 weeks, I think. Every 2 weeks. But yeah, so it's really, and so for her to try to do that would take forever. She would be days getting her laundry done, doing it one full load at a time. Whereas for me, it's also a great way to get some exercise in the house, to walk back and forth, taking everything in. And it's just a lot easier that way, and it doesn't pile up and make me do things in a weird way. But that is my laundry routine. Now you're asking, what about stains and those sort of things? Realistically, I don't get that many stains, simply because, I don't know, I've always been able, being in theater, you learn how to eat so that way you're not spilling stuff on yourself. I do not worry too much about, like, my kitchen kitchen cloths and those sort of things, dishcloths, dish towels, because those are meant to be bleached. Oh yeah, I use bleach. It helps keep them nice and white and clean, and that also makes it easier to wash. Now, one of the things which you will hear, a lot of people are talking about, you need to wash your towels separate from your clothes, and generally I would agree with that. However, as I said before, because I live alone, that is not always possible. Sometimes I do have to wash my towels with the rest of my clothes simply because, well, I wouldn't have a batch of laundry to do if I didn't do that. How do you do your laundry routine? Are you an all at once? Do you fold it all? Do you wash it all? Do you dry it all, then fold it? I'd be interested to hear that. Do you fold your laundry in the room where it goes? Because a lot of people do that. I just do it where I have the most amount of space. Well, let me know down in the comments what you do, because I'm dying to hear. I hope you check out these other videos that I picked out just for you, and I hope to get to see you again next time.